Experience the future of home comfort with the Dreo Smart Ceiling Fan with Lights. This low-profile, 52-inch fan integrates seamlessly with Alexa and app control, delivering style, power, and personalized ambience. Enjoy cool comfort exactly how you want it. This low-profile fan delivers a powerful 6,040 CFM airflow at less than 45 decibels. Pick from 6 speeds and 3 modes: sleep, natural, or auto, or fine-tune with 12 app-adjustable speeds. It is powerful, versatile, and tailored precisely to you. Take control of customizable lighting at your fingertips. This sleek black fan offers 6 brightness levels and 5 color temperatures, ranging from a warm 2,700 to a cool 6,500 Kelvin. The Dreo app enables perfect ambience control, while preset modes like sunrise, sunset, reading, and working match all your activities throughout the day. Immerse yourself in a world of color with endless RGB lighting possibilities. Seamlessly switch between constant, breath, and circle modes using the app. You can fine-tune your home with infinite color choices for a uniquely tailored ambience that fits every moment, perfect for the living room or game room. Benefit from smart features for smarter comfort. Dreo's app presets and scheduling simplify daily use. The memory function remembers your last settings, and a 12-hour timer adds convenience. Control both the fan and lights effortlessly via Alexa. You can even reverse the airflow easily with the remote or app. Installation is now effortless. This fan features a straightforward one-blade, one-screw installation system. Simply attach each blade, tighten its screw, and move on to the next. No more misaligned screw holes, just stress-free setup from start to finish. Built for durability and style, this fan features robust ABS blades that resist deformation. Its modern design and contrasting colors add a sleek touch to any space, backed by ETL, FCC, and DOE certifications for quality and safety. Ready for the ultimate in smart home.